Hey people, here's my street after a major snowstorm. Since this is just a residential side street, it doesn't really have priority as far as snow plowing goes. All the major streets get taken care of first. It looks like maybe some sort of plow did come through here. Not sure how long ago. I walked through here around 6:40 a.m. and at that time nothing had come through, and you couldn't distinguish the sidewalks from the street. It was just all one big blanket of white. And the cars are almost completely buried. Yeah, I'm not sure if a plow came through or if cars just drove down and sort of made their own path, because it does still have a lot of accumulated snow here in the center. I haven't seen something like this in years here in downtown Toronto. Oh, looks like this car is a new arrival. Squirrel running around, causing snow to fall from the branches. Looks like he's chasing that other squirrel. And I've been hearing sirens just continuously going for quite a while. So I just thought I'd document the state of my street during the great snowpocalypse of January 2022, January 17th. At 1:10 in the afternoon. And this is when the snow is tapered off. It's letting up right now. So I'm just steps from home, so I'm going to go in and get warm and cozy. I've been out recording videos for a while, on and off, since 6:40 in the morning. So if you enjoyed, leave a comment below, like and share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you'd like to support the channel, there are links in the description where you can do so via PayPal and via my merch store. And you can also find me on Instagram under KContinuum. So thanks for watching. And be sure to keep checking back because, as always, I will continue.